what we were trying to do is give you guys straight flavor. So not sweet with vanilla with this and hints of that, or sour with this and a little bit of that, or salty with this. It's just straight flavor. So we're starting the evening off with a sour beer. It's fermented for 3 years, has a very pungent flavor to it. And then what I want you guys to do is from left to right, you have sour, you have salty, and you have sweet in your pipettes. So I want to warn you, it's straight salty flavor, straight citric flavor. So it's really strong. So go a little bit at a time. And then as you're going through the sour, then try the beer and see how the beer reacts with the sourness and then with the saltiness.
My name is Adrian Perez. I'm the craft import supervisor for L&M Distributing here in El Paso. And basically the main reason and purpose why we did this experiment is for you to find out and know what the whole purpose of the dinner with beer is about. Number one question that I get is, I heard of wine dinners, mimosas on Sundays as a brunch, but what, beer dinner? Well, this is our 31st beer dinner in El Paso. And we're very, very happy, and this is our first of many beer dinners with Crave Bar and Grill. And so basically tonight what we want you to do is what you all did right now. We want you to try the beer by itself first, find out the notes in that, try the meal by itself second, and then compare and contrast it together, mix it up together, get those liquids going in there. As what Chef explained to me earlier is when I tried the sour pipette earlier, it just killed it. I mean, killed the sourness and just it was a good, nice taste, and that gets your glands just really, really confused, and that's really what we're gonna be doing today. Now, folks, tonight you'll be trying some very, very new dinner beers. These beers have been in El Paso literally for about a week, straight from Belgium. A gentleman by Don Heathy, he's a beer cicerone up in St. Louis. He valued our dinner at $90. We're doing it, of course, for $49, which is not bad. And we're gonna get the best of everything. So if you have any questions, please let me know.
Vanilla bean roasted pork tenderloin, so over some cheesy grits, and some sauteed spinach with pineapple. As you can see, I'm still enjoying, so pardon me. Delicious. What's my count outside, guys, on plates? I need 7. Anybody else?
First beer that we're featuring tonight is a Peaches Aged Pale Ale from the Global Beer Network. The Peaches actually is a beer that's aged for over 3 years. It has humongous old barrels over in Belgium. Now, this is one beer that actually does come out with a cork on top and the wire cap, as well as bottle condition. It's known as a live beer, which the beer master actually puts in some yeast in there, bottles it, and creates its natural carbonation as opposed to forced carbonation in the bottle. Now, this beer, since it's aged for 3 years in these humongous wood barrels, it creates lactic bacteria inside of the tank of the barrels. How is it that beer is a good food pairing, and how does it complement food? Some of you might see this, some of you might haven't, but this is the best way I can explain it, and I'll get your attention up here. Have you noticed how Chef placed the glassware on top of the plate and gives it a real nice presentation, right? Well, basically with high ends, it's almost the same thing. You want you to get the best experience of the meal, including your beer. Now, for example, our Belgian import here, Stella Artois, depending on how you pair it, and depending on how you pour it, it's actually going to affect the taste of your meal. So if you have this glass right here, and they serve it to you with no head, boo. No head. Trust me, I'm the first one to say boo. I'm talking about beer. Jeez.